So I've just taken another 2 positions. So let's see how this goes. It's a downtrend, guys, and you're only going to be looking out for sell trades in this zone. Okay, so yes, this is gonna be a win trade, guys. Yeah, you can see this. So by the end of this timer, by the time the timer gets to 0, that is the 1 minute time, we're gonna be having these trades. I'm gonna be having these 2 trades. One, it's a win trade. So this is how to do it, guys. This is simple. You don't have to be afraid. You can see that you can see my trades history. Okay, you can see how successful this strategy has been. Okay, I have 18 trades right here. This is 2nd December, 18 trades, and 1, 2, 3, 4 losses, guys. 4 losses and 14 wins. So guys, this is actually how it is. You are not always going to win, but in general, you're supposed to be successful. So right now, I'm going to keep looking out for other pairs, okay, to trade. I've been on this for a while now, and this is AUDCHF, and the percentage is 88%. I could keep looking out for pairs with bigger percentage as well. Yeah, so let's see this, what we've got here. Yeah, I'm taking that because it's still a sell trade. Okay, let's see how this goes. This is gonna be my last for today. Yeah, so guys, this is actually going to be my last for now, and hopefully I want to see this trade successful. Okay, so guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do that. If you haven't, for those of you on my channel, if you know you haven't opened your account just yet, remember I said to join my team. Okay, you can join my team and learn from me free, but you have to use my referral link. Check the description below for the link. Open your accounts. When you're done, fund the account, and then send me your ID, and I'm gonna add you up to my VIP. Okay, and teach you how to do it the way I'm doing, then you're gonna be successful. So guys, this is a win trade, and I'm done for today. You can see the history. I'm done for now. This is 20 trades, and guys, please go with me and let's see the win rate right now. I could still sell this, but I'm done for now. So this is it. 20 trades, guys. Take a look at the rate of this strategy. So this is it. 20 trades. I'm gonna be counting this, how many successful trades I've had right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 successful trades, guys, and just 4 losses. So this is actually a win rate, a win situation. Okay, so the market is actually risky. Trading this market is risky actually, but if you have a good strategy, you can actually conquer the fear. You can actually become successful in the long run. And do not forget, guys, you cannot, whenever you want to trade, you have to drop emotions. You have to be sure of your analysis. You have to be sure of your strategy. Okay, there's no strategy that is 100%, but a strategy like mine is going to give you 70 to 80% of win trades on daily basis that you trade. So guys, if you haven't registered, do well to register. Okay, if you haven't joined my team just yet, do well to join my team. Okay, and follow the instructions, okay, in the description box below, and I'll be at the VIP team. I'll be over there to attend to you, to teach you exactly how I do this, and so that you can make money as well. So guys, subscribe, please like and share this video so that I can get to as many people that will need this. Okay, you know that liking this video will help the YouTube algorithm spread this channel and this video to as many persons, as many users of the YouTube platform. Okay, so guys, till my next training session, see you.